Good morning, students. Today I shall discuss and teach you about explanation of poem number 3. The name of the poem is On His Blindness, composed by John Milton. Previous day I have taught you about this poem, and today you have to see very carefully how you can explain of any poem with the help of this poem. Try to get instruction, try to get knowledge how you can explain any stanza of poem in board examinations. Okay, try to see carefully. The name of the poem is On His Blindness. It is very famous poem of John Milton. When I consider how my life is spent, ere half my days in this dark world and wide, and that one talent which is dead to hide, lost with me, useless, though my soul more bent to serve there with my Maker and present my true account, lest he return inside. Here few lines has given for you, and when I consider how my life is spent, here the poet John Milton is saying that in this poem, John Milton is saying about his blindness. His eyesight has gone before his half career. But the poet John Milton has no complaint to God. He has no any kind of complaint to God that what was the reason that his light has gone before his half life, before his half career. So in the opening line of this poem, the poet is saying that whenever I got the chance, whenever the poet John Milton got the chance to think that what was the reason that his eyelight has gone. Ere half my day means before his half career, before his half life, in this dark world and wide, in this gloomy world and in this broad world. It is one kind of a question of John Milton that whenever he got the chance, got the time to think that why his eyelight has gone before his half life, he wanted to know. And that one talent which is dead to hide. And in the next line, the poet John Milton is saying that he had a talent. He had a quality to compose poem, because John Milton was a famous sonnet poet. So, the poet is saying that he had a talent, he had a quality to compose poem, but that quality is totally useless for the poet John Milton. He was thinking that after his death, his quality, his talent will be also finished. So, this was the reason the poet is saying that which is dead to hide. It means his talent will finish after his death. Lost with me, useless. So the poet again said that talent is totally useless for the poet John Milton. Why? Why that talent is totally useless for the poet John Milton? Because his eyesight has gone. He could not see. It was impossible to see anything for the poet John Milton. So the poet is saying that my talent, my quality, my ability is totally useless, because he is unable to compose any kind of poem in his life. Though my soul more bent to serve there with my Maker and present my true account, lest return inside. Though my soul more bent. Here the poet John Milton is saying this In spite of his blindness, the poet had heartily desire to serve God who has made us. The poet is saying that he wanted to serve the supreme power who has made us. So the poet had written to serve there with my maker. The poet John Milton wanted to serve, wanted to help God who has made us, who has made this universe, and present my true account. And the poet also wanted to show his real biodata, his real career of his life. The poet John Milton wanted to see his real biodata of his life, lest he returning child. The poet feels some kind of fearness. And what is his fearness? The poet is saying that if he will not see, if he will not show the real biodata, the real activities of his life to God, then it may be after his death. After his death, when his soul will go into heaven, then it may be God will punish him. God will chide him. It was the thinking of the famous poet John Milton. So, he had written here in this line, present my true account. And this sonnet is totally 14 lines, but I have given you only 6 lines of the sonnet, and I shall teach you how you can explain, how you can write reference, context and explanation in the board examination. Try to see it. I have written hints. Every student should write hints. First word of the stanza and last word of the stanza, so that examiner may understand it clearly. After writing hints, first step of explanation is reference. Reference. What is the way to write correct reference? These lines have been taken. These lines have been taken from the poem On His Blindness, composed by John Milton. Now, reference is complete. These lines, these 6 lines have been taken. These lines have been taken from the poem On His Blindness, from the poem On His Blindness, composed by John Milton. It is the main and suitable way to write a reference. And second step is context. Context means students should write what is the main theme of the stanza? And in this stanza, the poet is saying about his blindness and he has no complaint to God and he wanted to show his real career to God. Here, the poet is saying about his blindness he has no complaint to God. He also wants to serve God. Now, contest is finished, and every student should write only 3 or 4 lines in context, and after writing context, third step is explanation. Explanation means students should try to write the meaning of the stanza in a simple way. Every student should try to use very simple word meanings, and sentence should also be very simple. Try to see. Here, the poet says that when I consider how my life is spent, even half my days, that whenever he got the time to think that why his eyelight has gone, why his eyelight has gone. Before his half life, in this dark modern world, in this gloomy and broad world, and that talent and that one talent which is there to hide. Here the poet John Milton is saying that his quality is totally useless for him. He thinks that thinks that after his death it will also finish. Lo it with me useless, though my soul more bent to serve there with my maker and present my true account. Let's return inside. In spite of his blindness, he wants to serve God. He also wants to show his real biodata of life. Let's turn inside. He also fears that if he will not show his real data, to God, it may be God will punish him. It is explanation of these 6 lines, and I request to all students to try to listen the lecture of poem number 3 on his blindness, and try to repeat this lecture and explanation, and it will be very useful for your life, for your career. Thank you very much.